That toolbox in your garage is about to become a museum piece, because the car you just bought has a digital lock on every bolt, a spy in every sensor, and a kill switch that triggers the moment you try to fix it yourself. You think you own your vehicle? You're wrong. You paid tens of thousands of dollars for a lie. You're just renting a prison cell on wheels, and the warden holds the only key. And the worst part? You signed the contract that let them do it. Picture this. It's Saturday morning, coffee in hand. You pop the hood on your daily driver. A simple job, a headlight burned out, or a wheel speed sensor is throwing a code. You've done this 1,000 times. You feel that spark of independence. You grab your tools, you swap the part, you torque the bolts. You saved $200. You fixed it with your own hands. You turn the key. But instead of the engine roaring to life, the dashboard explodes. Red warnings flash. Service required. System locked. Contact dealer. The car won't start. You check your work. Everything is perfect. You didn't break it. The car rejected your repair. It checks the serial number against its internal database. If it doesn't match, the car rejects it. The part won't function. The warnings won't clear. And now, you have to tow it to the very people who designed this trap. This is not a glitch. This is not bad engineering. This is the system working exactly as designed. You've been sold a fairy tale. You were told that cars are machines you can understand, maintain, and master. That era is dead. Buried in the fine print of your purchase agreement is a clause that strips you of ownership. What you're driving now isn't a machine. It's a subscription service wrapped in steel, designed to make DIY repair impossible, illegal, or financially ruinous. They didn't just complicate the car, they weaponized it against you. The enemy is a coordinated cartel of automakers, dealership associations, and tech giants. They looked at their profit margins and realized something terrifying for your wallet. The real money isn't in selling the car, it's in the service bay. It's in the recurring revenue, so they declared war on the independent mechanic and the home garage. They spent millions lobbying against right-to-repair laws. They threatened lawmakers. They funded studies claiming that letting you fix your car is a security risk. It's a lie. The only risk is to their monopoly. They engineered a closed ecosystem where they control the parts, the tools, the data, and the software. They want you helpless. They want you dependent. They want you to pay them every time a light bulb burns out. But it gets worse. The attack started with physical barriers. They buried simple components under layers of plastic and electronics. To change a battery, you now have to remove the intake manifold. To replace a headlight, you have to drop the bumper. A $10 part now requires 5 hours of labor. They turned maintenance into surgery. They wanted to exhaust you. To make the job so frustrating, so time-consuming, that you just give up and hand over the credit card. This was the first layer of the trap, pure financial attrition. Here's the part nobody tells you. When physical barriers weren't enough, they locked the software. That OBD2 port under your dash, the one that used to give you power, it's been neutered. On modern vehicles, it's a dummy port. Plug in your scanner and you'll get generic codes that tell you nothing. The real data, the live sensor readings, the calibration maps, encrypted, hidden behind a proprietary paywall that costs thousands a year to access. Only the dealership has the key. You are blind. You're trying to fix a computer with a wrench while they hold the admin password. You have no choice but to go to them. And this is where it becomes dangerous. Enter parts pairing. This is the kill shot for DIY. Critical components now have digital serial numbers burned into their chips. Headlights, cameras, infotainment screens, batteries, even side mirrors. If you replace a broken part with a perfectly good one from a junkyard or a brand new aftermarket part, the car's computer performs a digital handshake. If you use the wrong part, the device bricks. This isn't safety. This is a hostage situation. They are holding your car ransom, and the price is your financial freedom. You are forced to buy the manufacturer's part at a 400% markup and pay the dealer 2 hours of labor to code it to the vehicle. They have turned your car into an iPhone. If you use the wrong part, the device bricks. This isn't safety. This is a hostage situation. They are holding your car ransom, and the price is your financial freedom. It tracks your location via GPS. It records your speed, your braking, your seatbelt usage. And now, with over-the-air updates, the manufacturer can change the rules after you've bought the car. It tracks your location via GPS. It records your speed, your braking, your seatbelt usage. And now, with over-the-air updates, the manufacturer can change the rules after you've bought the car. They can remotely disable features. They can lock functionality behind a subscription. They sold you heated seats, but now you have to pay monthly to turn them on. The hardware is yours, but the software that controls it belongs to them. They are renting you back pieces of your own car. And if you try to hack it, they can detect the modification and void your warranty instantly. You are being watched, tracked, and monetized every second you're behind the wheel. And the final layer is the most terrifying: remote disablement. This technology already exists. Lenders are using starter interrupt devices to shut off cars when payments are late. But the automakers have the same capability built into the ECU. A software update could theoretically brick your car if they detect unauthorized repairs, or if a server goes down, or if a hacker exploits the connected system. You are one line of code away from being stranded. Your mobility is no longer a right. It's a permission slip that can be revoked by a corporation you've never met. You don't own your freedom anymore. They do. So how do you escape? There is a loophole, a window in time before the digital prison was fully constructed. Smart drivers, master mechanics, and insiders are quietly opting out. They are liquidating their modern liabilities and hunting for the last of the analog vehicles. Cars built before the software locks, before parts pairing, before the surveillance state took over the dashboard. These are the pre-screen machines, vehicles from the golden age of mechanical integrity, roughly 1996 to 2005. In this era, cars had computers, but they were servants, not masters. They managed fuel and spark. They didn't manage your life. There are no subscriptions, no serialization, no remote kill switches. If a part breaks, you replace it. If it fits, it works. Period. This is true ownership. This is the loophole they're praying you never find. You need to know exactly what to look for. This is the insider list. Target reliability and simplicity. Look for the Toyota Tacoma and 4Runner from 1996 to 2004. The 3.4-liter 5VZ FE V6 engine. It's a million-mile motor. No complex emission systems, no fragile turbos, just iron and aluminum. Look for the Ford Panther platform cars. The Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, Lincoln Town Car from 1998 to 2005. The 4.6-liter modular V8. These were police interceptors, built to be abused, cheap to fix, and parts are available at every corner store. Look for the Jeep Cherokee XJ up to 2001, the 4.0-liter inline-six, a torque monster that you can rebuild in your driveway, or the Honda Civic and Accord from the late 90s with the D-Series and F-Series engines. Open diagnostics, simple wiring, massive community knowledge. When you buy these, you're buying freedom. You're buying a machine that empowers you instead of entrapping you. You're stepping outside their system of control. But you have to move fast. This loophole is closing. Every day, thousands of these perfect analog cars are being crushed, scrapped for metal, traded in and destroyed by dealers who view them as threats to their service revenue. The supply is finite. They aren't making them anymore. As the pain of modern ownership grows, more people are waking up. The demand for these freedom machines is exploding. Prices are climbing. The window to secure a reliable, repairable vehicle before they become unobtainium is slamming shut. If you wait, you'll be forced into the trap. You'll be stuck with a digital lease that drains your wallet and controls your life. The time to act is now. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most outrageous repair bill or software lock you've been hit with? Have you already switched to an older car to escape the system? Or are you still trapped in a modern money pit? Drop your story in the comments. Let's expose how deep this scam really goes and help others find their way out. And if you think this digital control ends at your driveway, you're dead wrong. The same philosophy, the same technology that locks your car is already infiltrating your home. Your smart appliances, your thermostat, even your security system are being turned into subscription traps with remote kill switches. In the next video, I'm exposing the smart home scam and how corporations are planning to rent you back your own house, one device at a time. You need to see this before you buy another gadget. Click here to watch now.